Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in this video I will be talking about the 5ers instant funding and their different programs that they have for traders. Now, 5ers has been a very reputable prop firm since 2016, and they're very popular with traders because they have realistic profit targets and they have very flexible parameters that traders can take advantage of. Now, I'm sure you know other prop firms, they have like a 10% profit target that you have to get in 1 month or 20 trading days basically, which is very unrealistic, and that is why 95% of traders fail challenges, because they have to be over trading and trying to hit their profit target in 1 month. That doesn't make sense, right? Now, the 5ers has a more realistic approach. All right, so I'm going to show you what the instant funding account can do for you. So, for example, let's look at the lowest tier. All right, so this challenge fee is $235, and they give you a $6,000 account to trade on. Now, your objective on that account is to make 6.2%, all right, or $375. That is your objective. Once you do that, you get 4 times this amount. So you'll get access to a $24,000 account. All right. So yeah, and so that's one. So that's a good thing. So you have a low profit target, and then you also have 180 days to, so yeah, you have 180 days or a period of 6 months to actually hit your profit target. So that's a lot of time, right? So yeah, and you have different levels that you can start at. So you can start at the $10,000 level or the $20,000 level. It all depends on what you want to achieve. Now, the good thing is that after you pass each level, your account will be doubled. Okay? So just keep that in mind, guys. They do have an awesome growth plan that takes you all the way to $4 million. All right? So that's the low risk plan, but you also have the aggressive plan. This is for people who trade with bigger lot sizes and they just want to knock the challenge out very quickly. So the only drawback to this aggressive program is that you have only 60 days to complete, but it's still a very flexible plan in my opinion compared to other prop firms. Now, the point to note is that your payout split on both of these programs will be 50%. All right, now let's look at the bootcamp. Now, the bootcamp model is very cool. So instead of 1 challenge, you have 3. Okay, and the enrollment fee is €95. So for the 100K bootcamp, you have to pass 3 different challenges, all right, over a period of 12 months. Let me say that again. 3 different challenges over a period of 12 months. And here are the different profit targets that you have to meet. All right. So I highly recommend the 5ers for beginners because, to be honest, when you trade with them, you don't feel rushed. You don't feel like you have to overtrade. You don't have to use ridiculous lot sizes. You have up to 6 months until 1 year to complete these profit targets. So you have a lot of breathing room. Okay. So I'm going to put the link in the description of this video so that you guys can sign up, and you will also be able to get 5% cash back after you sign up using that link. All right, guys, take care.